Right. Have you ever been swiping through stories and you stop and you see this really cool image? It's a static image and it looks as if it has an overlay over top of it. And then somebody has words. They've just posted words on top of it, but it's them in the background. That is a perfect way to brand your picture. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how to do that. You're going to need a few things. I'm going to be sharing my screen. I'm going to go ahead and have that right from my phone right here. So give me a few seconds to get that up and running. But you're going to simply need your phone. You're going to need your Instagram app open and you're going to need just a basic static picture. Could be of your dog, could be of a tree, could be anything. You do want it to be something that is on brand, however. So go ahead and take a few seconds to get that ready. I'm going to be sharing my screen. You're going to open up your Instagram app and then I'm going to toggle you through how to do it. Now, you can use this picture, which is amazing. You can use this picture on any social, anywhere that you're going to post a picture, which is great. Okay. So you're going to go into it like you're creating a story. So you can either go here and then up to the top to the right-hand side where it has a little plus sign, or you can simply go here to your main feed, just like this. And then you click down here. Oh, sorry. And then you click here where it says plus story. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open up and get ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to find a picture. Let's just say that I want to go ahead. I'm going to take this one right here. And there is a basic selfie that I took. Now, this is super simple, you guys. I'm going to give you the steps starting very slowly up here by going to the ellipse. So the three dots on the far right-hand corner, that is going to give you a drop-down menu. You're then going to go ahead and click where it says draw, the second menu there, excuse me, the second button. Then you have all of these features that appear here at the top. Now you're going to simply click this one here that looks almost like a thick Sharpie marker. Okay. Now notice along the bottom, I have all of these different color options. Okay. So you want to find one that is close to your brand or one that you're going to at least be able to see yourself. So my brand is pink and navy, like a really, really bright pink and then navy. So this one doesn't look so good. Let me show you how. So I clicked on this purple radial button down here. And then what I simply do is I take my finger, and I know you can't see me doing this, but you take your finger and you just simply press and hold on the actual image. Now notice, it does pop up, but it's not very clear. Even though it's on brand, it's not the best. So I'm going to simply click undo. I'm going to go ahead and just show you a couple different options so you can see. I'm going to click on the bottom left where it has the white little button down here next to the little paintbrush. And again, I simply put my finger right there anywhere on the screen. And then do you see how I show up in the background there? Okay, so I'm going to do this again. I'm going to toggle through a few different colors here along the bottom. So if you notice, right along the bottom, I just simply swiped my finger. And then I'm going to pick one of these lighter gray options. So it's not just bright white. And I'm going to go ahead and click that little gray button there. Again, I simply put my finger, I push down, and there I go. Okay. Now, this is important. You need to do these next few steps in order to be able to save it to your camera roll. You're going to click where it says done at the top right-hand corner. And then you're going to simply go ahead and click on that little ellipse button again, and you simply click save. And it's going to save it to your camera roll. So when I'm ready to post my picture, I go up here. I'm going to do that again, all over that exact same sequence. I want to post my story. I'm going to go up here. There's my picture ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start typing, hey, friends. Okay. And then I can do anything I want with that. I can simply, change that. I can manipulate, do all the things that I want to with that. I love all these new features right now. Just so you know, you might not have all those features. Instagram rolls things out differently. But then you can go ahead and then post in your stories as you normally would. You can add, your poll, or you can add, your questions here, who watched the debate last night? And you could, I'm wherever you are. Okay. So you can do whatever you want to, but then there you see, there's my brand. Now let me simply show you. I'm going to discard that for a second. I'll show you how I use them. I use them a lot here in my posts. So if you take a look, of course, it's my dog. Here is one right here I posted. I simply added those colors in, and my colors again, navy and pink. And then I posted a poll right there. And that's how you do it. So I hope that this taught you something very important today. It's always really exciting to learn these little tips and tricks that can really, really, really magnify your brand and really help you create an awesome online business. All right, go ahead and like and subscribe this page for more information. I'll be posting a lot of really great videos to hopefully help you with the tactical practical. That's the teacher in me. I want to make sure that everybody has the tools they need to succeed and shine online. All right, have a great day, everybody.